Pipefitters Local 120 and the Mechanical Contractors Association of Cleveland, MCA, have long been partners in the fire protection business. Now, they've teamed up for the ultimate fire safety venture by sponsoring continuing education classes for Northeast Ohio's fire marshals. This program brings together the three main components of fire prevention: the pipe fitters from Local 120, the contractors from MCA, and the fire safety professionals from the Northeastern Ohio Fire Prevention Association. Together, these groups make an unbeatable tripartite of safety experts. The Northeast Ohio Fire Prevention Association is an organization of fire marshals who work for local fire departments and enforce the fire code by inspecting new building construction and existing buildings for fire safety issues. The group's mission is to reduce the burden of fire and other hazards on the quality of life by providing training and education for fire officials, while also advocating and supporting scientifically based consensus codes and standards. The members of the Fire Prevention Association are required by law to take continuing education classes to keep themselves up to date on the latest products, research, and code changes. The comprehensive 8-hour continuing education class hosted by MCA of Cleveland and the Pipefitters Local 120 helps fulfill this requirement. Held at the Pipefitters Local 120 Training Center, the day-long event includes code classes, exposure to new products and techniques, discussion forums with peers and experts, hands-on training, and live demonstrations using the latest fire equipment. The series of events allow the fire inspectors to first listen to a presentation on the latest advancements in sprinkler systems, followed by time to ask questions one-on-one with the vendors that provide such equipment. Building on that information, the same inspectors are then provided time to speak with veteran pipe fitters with decades of experience for detailed discussions on the installation process for these systems, as well as tips related to maintenance and potential trouble spots after systems are installed. These opportunities create benefits that go well beyond a traditional classroom learning environment. But the highlight of the day for many in attendance is the opportunity to view what's known as a live burn. With members of a local fire department on hand outside the Pipefitters Training Center, the live burn for this class is designed to demonstrate the difference between a room equipped with a sprinkler system and one without. What begins as a minor trash can fire quickly escalates as the can is located close to some highly flammable materials, in this case, some hanging curtains. Within seconds, the smoke alarm sounds, and as minutes pass, the fire grows in intensity. At the 3-minute mark, the fire has filled the back corner of the room. Soon, thick black smoke is pouring from the unit, to be followed by what's known as a rollover condition on the ceiling, at which point everything in the room is ablaze. The inspectors are able to see the after effects once the fire is extinguished, leaving behind nothing but charred remains, an all too familiar scene for veteran fire inspectors. But the second room provides a much shorter demonstration. Again, the fire is started in the trash can, which quickly triggers the smoke alarm, followed by the activation of a single standard residential sprinkler head. Dumping just 10 to 12 gallons of water per minute, the fire is extinguished in about 15 seconds. Many items in the room are untouched by the fire. Opportunities like this to legally burn a structure as part of a supervised fire training exercise provide invaluable information to fire department personnel. And when it's combined with the other opportunities available at the Pipefitters Training Center, it's easy to see why the members of the Northeast Ohio Fire Prevention Association return year after year for this truly unique training opportunity, provided thanks to the Mechanical Contractors Association of Cleveland and the Pipefitters Local 120.